Our universe may be a wonderful place, and it's full of billions upon billions of galaxies, most of which we haven't even seen yet. But even from the relatively bit of galaxies we manage to watch, there are some really bizarre ones. Just to think that out there within the vastness of space there are galaxies shaped like jellyfish, and therefore the ones that are simply devouring all other galaxies around them. To not mention those are looking sort of a huge eye peering right into space. Well, universe is awesome like that, and here are 7 weirdest galaxies you've ever seen. Galaxies on a date. One might think that these two are just another case of galaxies colliding into one another because it often happens within the universe, but not this point. We will say that galaxies NGC3314a and NGC3314b are simply meeting one another in space on a sort of a date, but still they're separated by many light years. We get this amazing view only because they overlap from our vantage point here, on Earth. The mother of supernovas, Messier 83, also referred to as simply M83, is bizarre during a few ways. It's a weird-looking double nucleus, but that's not the weirdest part. M83 may be a super site for supernovas. These beautiful star explosions are literally rare to watch. Yet astronomers have seen 6 supernovas within the galaxy and detected remnants of 300 more. 2 dark hearts. A galaxy with 2 hearts is about as rare as a person's with 2 hearts. Well, maybe not that rare, but it's definitely not something astronomers see a day. NGC3314 has not 1, but 2 dark holes at its heart. This probably happened as a result of 2 galaxies colliding into one. The grand collision. What happens when 4 galaxies collide? An abstract, yet beautiful mixture of substance, gas, and galaxies stretched for over 13 million light-years. This galaxy is named MAX J0717, and it's a very fascinating sight indeed. Milky Way, the thief. Our good old Milky Way is additionally a weirdo. Our home galaxy has been snatching neighboring galaxies, making them a part of its own orbit since the start of times. There are a minimum of 6 galaxies that we all know of that want to orbit Large Magellanic Cloud, a galaxy located about 163,000 light-years from us. Now they're all a part of Milky Way. The cannibal galaxies obviously get bored hanging call at space on their lonesome. That's once they start interacting with other ones, usually smaller defenseless galaxies that up for devouring. Well, it appears our very own Milky Way will hit Andromeda Galaxy in some 4.5 billion years. It's hard to inform which galaxy will prevail, but humanity probably won't be around to ascertain it, as our own sun will get too hot by that point. Smiley Galaxy. Galaxy SDSS-J1038 plus 4849, also referred to as the Smiley Galaxy, looks exactly like that, a cheerful smiling face. The eyes and nose of the Smiley are uniquely positioned galaxies, while the curves are created thanks to gravitational lensing. The sunshine simply distorts around this cluster thanks to its high density, turning into these liquid-looking curves.